Hello students, welcome to Global Online Chemistry. Today we are going to deal with our another important reaction named as Stille reaction. In this reaction we are going to discuss statement, its reaction, reaction mechanism, problem and how to solve that problems. Basically, Stille reaction involve palladium catalyzed cross-coupling of organostannous with electrophile such as organic halide, triphylate or acid chloride. One means our first key point is that it is palladium catalyzed reaction. Second one, it occur in presence of organostannous. Organostannous. And it occur with electrophiles such as organic halide, triphylate or acid chloride. Look at this. This is our organic halide in presence of organic stannous, in presence of palladium as a catalyst. We got R single dash R means carbon-carbon single bond is formed between this R group and this R1 group. Now look at the mechanism. Mechanism involve reaction of palladium. In first step, it involve oxidative addition of organic halide to form this complex. After transmetallation with organostannous, it forms second complex. After cis trans isomerization followed by reductive elimination, we got R dash as a single product. This is our required product. Means in Stille reaction is same to Negishi reaction or Hake reaction. But what is the difference? Stille reaction involve organostannous compound while Negishi reaction involve organozinc compound. Now let's see problems. How to solve problems of Stille reaction. Now observe what they have given. We have alkene attached with leaving group, means it is one of halide, and this is organostannous compound, and we have to form carbon-carbon single bond between R1 and R2. Consider this is our R1 group and this is our R2 group. Now what is our duty? Our duty is to form carbon-carbon single bond between R1 and R2. Now I am going to write the product. NBU as it is, hydrogen as it is, this hydrogen as it is. I am going to remove this iodine and this organostannous and connecting compound as it like this, which is our required product. Means this R1 and this R1 are connected by a single bond. Now look at the second one. This is an organic halide. It reacts with organostannous in presence of palladium as a catalyst. It will form a carbon-carbon single bond between R1 and R2. Now this is an organic halide and this is organostannous in presence of palladium. Then what is our product? Our product will be pH. Our pH. Now look at the fourth and fifth question, which is very important because we have organic halide, organostannous, carbon monoxide at 50 psi in presence of palladium as a catalyst. CO is a carbonyl insertion step. Means we have to do like this. We have to write reactant, carbonyl insertion, and again pH. Means carbonyl group is inserted between R1 and R2 group. Now fifth one is similar to fourth one. Means carbonyl group is inserted between R1 and R2. Means basically what we have to do is that formation of carbon-carbon single bond between R1 and R2. Now, in conclusion, we can say that Stille reaction occur in presence of palladium as a catalyst. It require organostannous compound, and we got R1, R2 as our product. In some steps, carbonyl group is given, then carbonyl insertion between R1 and R2 group. If anyone have a doubt regarding statement, reaction mechanism and problems, or anyone have a difficulty in solving a problems, he or she can comment in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.